In this video, I want to talk to you about a sign-up offer that is risk-free and can earn you up to £200. Hey, welcome back to the channel. My name's Chris, and on here I like to talk about making money online and generally how to be smarter with your money. I wanted to make this video because it's a great welcome offer that you can do, which isn't match betting related, so many of you might not have done it yet. And it's a great way to combine me sort of showing you a really good welcome offer for you to make money from, and as well what you should kind of be looking to do with any match betting profits once you've made over £10,000. Now, why do I say over £10,000? Well, that's because I believe that you should, whatever you make from match betting up to 10 grand, you should put that money back into match betting, since the more bankroll you have with match betting, the more money you can make from it. I won't keep you waiting any longer. Let's get on the laptop and I'll show you this welcome offer that you can do with this investing platform, which is going to give you a free share up to £200, and I'm going to talk to you about how it's completely risk-free. On the laptop then, as you can see on the screen, it's a trading platform called FreeTrade, which you may or may not have heard of. I know trading 2 on 2 is a really popular one at the moment, but because of the amount of people trying to sign up to that site, you actually can't get an account at the moment, whereas with FreeTrade you can. Now, in order to get this screen up, you do need to go to your favorite YouTuber's channel, scroll down beneath the video, and it's very likely that they'll have left a referral link under the video in the description. Of course, I've left my referral link in this video. You don't have to use it. If you've got another YouTuber that you'd prefer to use, go ahead and use theirs. But as you can see here, I've gone to my favorite investing YouTuber, click their link, and it says here, get your free share to get started with commission-free investing. And at the bottom here, it just says, enter your phone number to claim your free share. We'll send you a link to download the app. So I'll go ahead and put my mobile number in there and click the claim your free share button. And because FreeTrade charges £3 a month to be a member, so £36 a year, it does have a little cost to it. But even if you're not interested in investing whatsoever, the way this is a completely risk-free sort of welcome offer, just like when you took the, if you've done all the sign-up offers in match betting, is you can pay £3 to sign up to FreeTrade. Then because you've signed up, they're going to give you a free share worth between, so the very lowest is £3 and the highest one of value they would give you is £200. Now, when I did this with trading 2 on 2, I actually got one that was worth £58, and I opened the account and put £100 in there. So when I open this one, I'm actually going to put at least £200 in there, just to maybe increase the chances of it being a higher value share. I don't know for a fact if the more money you deposit means they'll give you more of a value of free share. But yeah, I would highly suggest that you open an account. Of course, I appreciate it if you go ahead and use the link in my description, but find any YouTuber that you'd like, click the link, and then put a £200 deposit in order to open the account. Pay the £3 to sign up for a month, even if you're not interested in investing. See what kind of free share value you're going to get. Say it's say it's £50, or even if it's £100, then that's fantastic. All you need to do is then wait 30 days and you can withdraw that, so you can sell the share and then withdraw that as cash to your own bank account. And then you could simply just go ahead and cancel FreeTrade if you weren't interested in continuing to invest with them. Although I'm currently with trading 2 on 2, I really like the look of FreeTrade, so it's highly likely that I'm going to try and start investing with FreeTrade. Now I'm over that £10,000 bankroll mark with match betting. So I'll put future videos up on here on the channel if anyone's interested in seeing that S&P 500 that I'm mainly going to be investing in, and then I'll be able to share with people what's going on in that account. So if you want to see that, I'm not sure if anyone would care about that, but if you'd want to see that kind of content, then of course comment below and let me know your thoughts. So I hope you found this video helpful then, and it's giving you a sort of insight into other welcome offers that you can do on the internet that aren't just match betting related. There is a lot of free money out there where companies are willing to pay you to sign up, because then of course over the long term they're going to make plenty of money from you, unless you just decide to set it up and then cancel it and take the free money, just like when you set match betting accounts up with bookmakers. As usual, if you've enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please do press the like button below. Really do appreciate it. And like I said in other videos, it helps grow the channel massively. So really appreciate you pressing the like button now. And until the next video, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.